Hello, are you aware about the easiest business in Nigeria today? Right? If you haven't or you don't know about the easiest business in Nigeria right now, please give me 2 minutes and I'm going to explain the easiest business in Nigeria and how you can be part of this business. All right? Now, I'm going to ask you a number of questions. If somebody says that a business is the easiest business, what will come to your mind? Right? There are a number of things. Number one, that business should not take too much to start. The easiest business should be very, very affordable for anybody to start. Number two, the easiest business should make you a good return on investment. All right? You should make a good return on investment. All right? The third thing is that the easiest business should not take your time so much. Business is not supposed to take all your time. So the easiest business should be a business that is almost hands-free and does not take too much of your time. Number four, the easiest business anyway should be a business that should not take too much of your energy. All right? Too much of your energy. Lastly, the easiest business should be a business that can pay you for a long time without doing work over and over again. So, now that I have given you some criteria to look and think about, what is the easiest business in Nigeria right now? I'll give you the name of that company. And that company is Chi Shopping Mall. Something you might be already be hearing called Chymall. Alright? Chymall is the latest business in Nigeria and it is the easiest business in Nigeria. It has all of the criteria I mentioned recently. Number one, it is very, very affordable to start. You don't need to spend thousands and thousands and millions. Number two, Chymall does not take your time. You invest money and the company pays you every 10 days. It's just like putting your money in a bank, but this time around you're getting high return on investment. Okay? Number two, you are not stressing yourself. All right? If you don't want to bring people in, you still get paid. It's not compulsory referral. All right? You put your money and your money produces money for you every 10 days. It's not Ponzi. It's a real business registered with the Nigerian government. Right? It's a legit business and you are investing money and they use your money to run the business. Then every 10 days you get your money back. All right? You start getting interest. The interest is higher than any interest you can find in any bank. If you have your money in fixed deposit, take it out and put in this business. It will yield more return on investment. I'm going to break down some of the numbers here in a moment, but let me explain once again. This is the easiest business because you're not going to stress yourself. You just put money and the money works for you. I'm sure you've heard about that story, how to make your money work for you. This is the easiest way to make your money really work for you. You don't do any work. You don't refer anybody. If you don't want to do that, no problem. Just put your money in and there are different packages and you get returns every 10 days. In 6 months, you get your money, the total investment you get back. And the money keeps rolling in as long as your money is invested. All right? It's like having a salary every month for doing nothing. All right? That is what this company does. No stress, easy to start. You are going to pay it over and over and over again. You are paid every 10 days. And there's no stress. So let's talk a bit about Chymall and some of the different packages that you can register with and get paid. All right? So here are some of the packages here at Chymall. We have a package where you have this orange color are the different packages. You have the 53K 200, the 106 400, the 319 200, the 638 400. And for your registration, you're going to get some products and then you begin to get returns. For the 53200, you start getting 266 in every 10 days. And in 1 month, you get, for the 53200, you will get 5798, that's about 8K. So you get 8K every month. Now, if you divide that amount in 6 months, you will get your investment back. That is higher than any fixed deposit account, higher than any stressful business. So this is hands-free. You don't put your money back. It does not stop you from doing any other business. It does not stop you from doing any other activity. You just put money and it brings back returns. If you register with the 102, 106, 400, you get 16K every month. And in 6 months, you will get your money back. That is the sweet thing about this thing. You get your money back. For the 319,200, you get 47K, about 48K every month. That is 16K every 10 days. And at the end of it, that's about 48K. All right? So you, instead of putting your money in the bank and letting it waste, put your money in fixed deposit and making it waste. You should put your money in this company and register in this business. They're going to pay you. It's like you will seem like you're receiving salary for money that you are just fixing. And the money is higher than any bank deposit or anything else you can think about. Easy, smooth business, no friction, no scamming, no ponzi, nothing. Real business with products, and people are getting paid. So the last one here, which is the most recommended one, is 638,400. You get 95K every month. That's like just getting a salary. As long as your money is in the business, you will get paid. A simple thing you can do is put some money in here, and then after you have received your capital, you know that everything left is profit. It is working. We have a lot of networkers from other companies and other business owners, people that are smart Nigerians already in the company, and they are getting paid. But the important thing is that don't just join the business because somebody just told you. You need to join the business through somebody who understands this business and can guide you properly. There are many other ways to make money, even apart from just putting money. You can get paid more. And if you call the number on the screen, chat me up, or call me with the number on the screen, you will be able to get access to me directly. I'll be able to chat you up on WhatsApp or talk to you directly, and I'll be able to guide you properly. You need to join the business through someone who understands this business. This business is legit, it is good, and it is profitable. A lot of people are joining because they are making good money. But like I said, you need to sign up or join the business through somebody who can guide you. So if you have any question, I know you might have a lot of questions. So if you have any questions right now concerning what I just showed you, this is legit, this is brand new, this is working. Call the number immediately. Call the number now, or chat me up with the number. All right? Or click the link in the description and you'll be able to chat with me directly. Once again, don't delay, don't waste time. If you're listening to this, you are among some of the first people that are aware. Join the business and begin to start making cool cash without stress. All right? Once again, the number on the screen, call me immediately or send me a WhatsApp message or click the link in the description. However you see my number, call me and I'll attend to you personally. Thank you once again for watching. Don't lose the opportunity of joining the easiest business in Nigeria today. Thank you.